In this video, I'll show you how to add a new account to your PS5 Pro. Now, if you're signed in, all you have to do is navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner, select that, and then log out so that you can access the login page. And then press the PS button on your controller. And then from here, select Add User, click on that. And then if you already have a PlayStation Network account, you can simply select Get Started. Or if you'd like to sign in as a one-time guest, you can simply choose the sign in. So select Get Started and then read through all this information and then select I agree, and then confirm. And then from here, you can either scan a QR code or you can sign in manually. Or if you don't have an account, you can create an account from here. So let me just sign in manually and then type in the email address and the password. All you have to do is sign in after you've typed in your details. And then from here, you should get to this page, update your account. So click on next, and then you can type in your first name and your last name. So this is assuming that you're using a new account that you just created so that you can add in to your PS5 Pro. So type in your first name, and then your last name. And then you can choose either to receive any notification via email or via notifications on console. And then click on next. And then you will be prompted to adjust privacy settings by choosing a profile. So select the one that you prefer. And then from here, you can choose to apply. Select apply, sorry. And then from here, you'll be prompted to select the data collection option. So you can choose the limited data only, or you can simply choose to select all the data. So you can select confirm and continue. Then give it a few seconds. And from here, you'll be prompted to secure your account by creating a PS5 login password. And also you can choose to enable require password at checkout. So you can choose that. And also you can choose to create a passcode if you'd like. So once you're done, click on OK. And then at this section, you'll be prompted to activate a passkey. So if you would like to do that, you can simply scan the QR code. But for me, I'll just select do it later. So I'll just select do this later, and then I'll proceed. And then from here, there you go. You've now successfully signed in to your new account or your new PlayStation Network account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.